Alright. Adjustable push rods. Won't say where I got them, they're all the same. Those in. They all fit, except for this one. Okay, so this one measures out to be 0.452. Okay. This one 0.453. So we're a thousandths too big for that hole. 1 out of 7. I mean 1 out of 8. 7 fit. This one does not. Well, that just set me back another 2 days. Alright. So I got the bottom one in. This one clearly does not fit. Yeah, we still got a little bit of work to do. Other than that, it looks good. Okay, listen carefully. There's a little bit of a lip on the top of that one. This one, yep, right there. Right there. I think that's what's stopping it from seating. Okie dokie. Sneaking up on it. Not yet. This the reason I'm doing this is your thrust surface. So when that camshaft wants to walk, it's going to push off of this, and I need to get clearance between this part and that first lobe. Probably should be using a 4-jaw chuck here, but I hate that thing. 3/1000 off, I guess. Somebody put in the comments, what rule am I breaking? What rule am I breaking? I think you know. Oh, so close. It goes on, but it's too tight. Another little tiny bit, and we'll be good to go. Anyway, you get the idea.